Now let's see the theories of public administration, or we call it as administrative thought. So the entire stream of theories of public administration can be put under models of organization, because administration has a close connectivity with organization. Now the theories related to organization is synonymous with theories of administration, because the organization, within the organization you have a management and administration, or the correlation between the administration and organization is several organization makes up an administration. For example, Indian administration is consisting of several or composed of several organizations, either political, socially or cultural. Now coming to the theories of organization or administration, which is synonymous, the models of organization are classified into three. One is closed model of organization. The extreme end you have the open model of organization. In between the two extremes, that is closed and the open, we have a synthesis model of organization. Now the entire thinkers of administrative thoughts and organization can be put under these three models. Now let us take up the first model. That is first model where on the advent of science and technology, that is which has kick-started the industrial revolution, we have the organization theories or administrative theories coming in the form of classical thinkers. Now classical thinkers are put as a closed model, because closed model of organization is they did not give adequate regard to the environment influential in the organization. Hence, environment has no interaction with the organization, hence we say closed model. It means mechanical or structural. Or the entire classical organization comes under the closed model. Entire classical model comes under closed model. Now, the closed model or the classical theories which comes in three streams. One is Taylor, Weber and Fayol, or we call it as a scientific management theory of Taylor, administrative management theory of Fayol and Weberian bureaucratic system. Now these comes under this, and this is closely connected with industrial revolution and science and technology, or efficiency and economy. Now coming to the evolution to the next stages, that is open model, that is extreme. Now apart from the science and technology, they began to see the human values in the organization. Now this kick-started the open model, which when you say the influence of values in the organization, it means that is the role of informal organization, that is starting with the theories of human relation led by Elton Mayo, then entire OD theorist. Now the entire OD theorist comes in the form of McGregor theory X and Y, Chris agrees maturity or immaturity model, then comes you have the next group is Lindsay's regard. Okay. Now coming to the in between these two extremes is a synthesis model, that is blend of both science and technology and values. Now for the synthesis model, the real aspect is synthesis rationality coupled with irrationality. That is, we call it as a bounded rationality, where the synthesis model is explicited in the form of Simon's decision making model.